Gaming is more than simply a pastime, it's a passion, a means of relaxation, and a way of life for many. Today's review is devoted to gamers who are passionate about the game. We are discussing a phone that is designed to make every moment seem like an immersive experience, not just for gaming. The ASUS ROG Phone 8, a gadget that pushes the boundaries of what a mobile gaming phone can accomplish, takes gaming to a whole new level of excitement. As we explore what makes this phone a mobile gamer's dream, grab your controller and headphones and get comfortable. This phone appears like it was taken from a science fiction film, so let's start with the design. Complete with RGB lights and the recognizable ROG logo, the ROG Phone 8 has an edgy, futuristic appearance. It shouts gaming from every side and is more than simply visually appealing. The phone features a gorgeous 6.8-inch AMOLED display that makes your games come to life, a sturdy aluminum frame, and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection dot. And there's no need to be concerned about durability if you're an avid gamer. Strong and pleasant to hold, the design is ideal for prolonged gaming sessions, even though it's loaded with features. ASUS has made tweaks to improve balance and grip so it doesn't feel overly weighty in the hand. The interesting part of the ROG Phone 8 is its display. It has a 6.8-inch Full HD AMOLED screen that refreshes at 165 Hz. You heard correctly, minus 165 Hz. One of the smoothest screens available on a smartphone today. It's designed to make sure you see every movement and detail in your games. This eliminates lagging images and screen tearing. This display offers colors and clarity that really make your games come to life. Whether you're playing fast-paced titles like Call of Duty Mobile or exploring expansive landscapes in Genshin Impact, it's similar to holding a little game console in your hands. The ROG Phone 8 is a beast behind the hood. It's not only about appearances and display. This phone can handle whatever you throw at it because to its cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU and up to 16GB of RAM, you're not simply playing games with these specifications, you're playing them at their best. It seems smooth to switch between popular games and other programs, and there is never any latency. Additionally, the phone is kept cool even during extended gaming sessions thanks to ASUS's innovative aeroactive cooling technology. You won't have to worry about overheating just before you accomplish a boss fight or surpass a high score. This phone can easily keep up with your intense gaming habits. But without sound, what would gaming be? Here too, the ROG Phone 8 does not let you down. Its two front-facing speakers produce rich, strong sound. You won't even realize you're playing on a phone when you hear footsteps, gunshots, explosions, and other sounds thanks to DTS Ultra support. Additionally, tactile feedback enhances your immersion. It seems as though every blow, punch, and in-game effect is occurring directly in your hand. This function genuinely closes the gap between smartphone and console gaming. Naturally, high power also means high battery demand. But with a huge 6000 mAh battery, ASUS has you covered. This is a gaming-specific powerhouse, not just a battery. Even with intense gaming, it comfortably lasts a whole day thanks to effective battery management and 65W rapid charging, which gets you back to full power quickly. No more worrying about lugging a power bank or running out of charge in the middle of a game. ASUS has taken into consideration gamers that require extended gaming sessions, and this battery will not disappoint. The gaming-focused features of the ROG Phone 8 are what set it apart. Air triggers and ultrasonic touch sensors allow you to personalize controls to your liking. These provide you an advantage in fierce fights and are responsive, making competitive gaming a lot simpler. Additionally, you can customize your setup to suit your playstyle with the extra gaming accessories, such as the ROG Kunai Gamepad or Aeroactive Cooler. These minor adjustments have a big impact and enable you to transform your phone into a full-fledged gaming station. It's obvious that ASUS put a lot of effort into creating a phone that not only meets but beyond gamers' expectations. The ASUS ROG Phone 8 is ultimately a commitment to the gaming community rather than merely a smartphone. Not everyone is a good fit for this phone. It's for those who love to play, who get a kick out of every win, and who want a gadget that can keep up with their enthusiasm. It's for people who think mobile gaming can be just as thrilling, engrossing, and intense as games on other platforms. The ROG Phone 8 is well worth the money if gaming is more than just a pastime for you and is something you truly love and live for. It's a dedication to all of the gamers out there, not just a phone. I appreciate you being here today, and if you share my enthusiasm for mobile gaming, please remember to press the bell button, like and subscribe. Keep playing, keep winning, and let me know in the comments what features you would most want to see on your gaming phone. I'll see you in the upcoming video.